Catherine's Crafts Corner. Today I am going to teach you how to make a cute bunny so that you can decorate your house for Easter. We need very basic materials anybody could find at home. You can use an old sock, some string, cord, thread, 1 cup of rice, a marker, ribbon, scissors, and a plastic bag. So let's get started. We're going to take our plastic bag. You can also use a Ziploc bag. And we are going to pour our cup of rice in the bag. Now we're going to tie a knot to make sure the rice is protected so that we could use it for future risotto after Easter. Now we're going to put it in the sock. I have to pop the air out, okay, a little bit. In the sock. And make sure you get a face, a head, and a body. Okay? A head and a body. Now we need some string. I'm going to use some thread, but if you have string, it's better than thread. I'm going to cut a piece of thread and tie it around the neck of our bunny. If we pull our thread or string tight enough, we won't have to tie a knot. Like this. So now we've got our body and our head. Now we have to make our ears. So for this we need another piece of thread. And we're going to pull our sock and tuck in the plastic bag and tie our second thread around the head to make our ears, our bunny ears. As I told you before, if you pull the thread tight enough, you won't have to tie a knot. So now we've got a body, a head, and our future ears. We are going to cut this part of the sock in half to make our ears. We're going to put some ribbon around our bunny's neck to make a bow. We're going to tie a bow around our bunny's neck. Okay, you might need some help to do this. And with our marker, we're going to draw a nose and 2 eyes. For the nose, we're going to make an X. And for the eyes, we're going to make 2 circles. Now, our bunny is ready. Happy Easter, everybody! you enjoyed our simple craft, and I can't wait to see your results posted on our Google Classroom. Thank you. I love you.